In this video, we are going to discuss an amazing trick of VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. We are going to discuss that how we can use only one VLOOKUP function to bring here name, department, salary, increment, and bonus for this employee ID. As we know, normally we need to use separately the VLOOKUP function in each of these cells, right? But in this video, we are going to learn VLOOKUP function that will help us to bring data in all of these cells. So let's get started. Here we have employee ID, as we need to bring a name, department, salary, increment, and bonus for this employee ID. What we will do is simply we will use here VLOOKUP function. Equal sign, VLOOKUP function, open parentheses, VLOOKUP value, obviously this is employee ID. We will select the cell in which we have employee ID, comma, next table array. We need to select the full table in which we have our lookup value, the column in which we have our lookup value, and all of these other cells from which we need to bring data, right? We will use F4 to lock the range, then comma. Now here we need to select the column index number. As we know, name is in second column, department third, salary four, increment fifth column, and bonus in sixth column. To use a single VLOOKUP function to bring details in all of these cells, what we will do, we will use curly brackets, and here we will add all the column numbers. So name, department, salary, increment, and bonus is in column number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we will write column 2, comma 3, comma 4, then comma 5, then comma 6. We have been added all of these columns, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. We will insert curly bracket, comma. For exact match, we can use 0, as we know, close parentheses, enter, and here we go. You can see instantly we have been used one VLOOKUP function, and instantly we bring here result for all of these cells. Let's change the employee ID, and here we go. You can see employee ID 1001, we have here name Alice, Smith, department HR, salary is same, increment is same, bonus is same. So that's mean this VLOOKUP function is working well. If you like this video, please don't forget to share this with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.